Capcut is my new favourite, and of course it's very, very in-depth. There's lots of things that you can do, lots of intuitive methods, and I did a video which I made without doing anything like looking up how to do it. It was just natural, and there aren't many applications like that. I certainly tried DaVinci Resolve and got nowhere. It's not intuitive for somebody that doesn't know it. If you've learnt it, then fair enough, it's quite good. And of course the reason I wanted to use it was for reframing 360 videos, and to be fair, I didn't manage it. It was far too complicated, and I decided to go back to the normal method. However, I need an editor for making videos. This one, Capcut, I discovered it and it's absolutely brilliant. So here we are, this is part 2, and we're going to carry on from where we left off with making this video. So here we are, we have our logo, we have our text, and we have the actual video itself. Right, let's play. Well, there we go. Good morning. Now, if you wanted that that text button there, we can obviously make it a bit longer so it lasts longer. Good morning. There, and having some of these buttons up here as well, we can have a look at those. We've looked at the text button, but there are other things that we can do, like for example effects. Quite good. I love these graphics, but some of them, this one here, is a pro item. I would love to use that, but unfortunately I can't. And there are text templates. So these are predefined things that you can use. For example, there's one. So you can add that to your timeline. Incidentally, that went on its own track, which is okay. But again, you cannot do the height of the track. So you can scroll in, and you can see that this is what you get. Come over here and we can make it smaller. And of course you can do it manually. You can move it around the screen, I don't know, make it smaller, transform it. Aligning the items, so if you had several items you could make it level. We'll try that in a moment, but we can add one more in here. Let's have a where are we? See if we can find one. There's lots of things, and these are all editable. There's one. We'll have that. It is add that to the timeline there. Put it on its own timeline. And what I'm going to do, make it smaller, put it in the corner, over there, like that. Or even better is put it up the top and then align it with the logo. So there, we can click on the other one, control. Now it's level, so we can make it level with the top. You see that's quite useful. Even Sony Vegas doesn't have that. It's quite good. You change the scale, so if you want to make one bigger or smaller, that's fine. So there we have. We can actually, now we've done that, we can actually move that item and play.
It is.
Oh, there we go. That's quite clever. That. Make it a bit longer. Yeah. All of these are quite useful. Let's have that one. Put that one on there. So bold titles. You can change this. Information. Saturday stroll. Make it slightly smaller. There. Let's play.
Time for
so it's slightly not wide enough. There. That's better. Because there was too many letters in the box.
Time for a Saturday stroll.
So you can see it's quite intuitive and so simple to make a graphic.
Time for a Saturday stroll.
It's quite good, that. Yeah, I'm impressed. So lots of different templates. You can have some AI generate ones if you want, but that's slightly advanced. And presets, 2 types. And the captions, we're not going to look at that yet. Stickers, pretty much probably never going to use those, although maybe that one might be quite good. Effects, so changing the actual effect of item. Probably not going to use those yet. The transitions we've had a quick look at. This is quite good if you're doing a quick cut and you want to transition between the two. Captions, yep, we don't need to look at that, but you can have foreign languages on the screen. Got some filters. So I don't know what these are. These are like. Gives it a blue colour. Summer vibe. Very interesting. And adjustments. Well, this is all about custom adjustments and LUTs. So, depending on what you want, more templates. So you're making your video, you got an example there. AI character is quite useful. I've seen a video on that. It's really clever. So you want somebody to on screen who's going to read or speak in your video. You can use one of these, program it into what you want to say, and it will say the words that you have on the video. It's very clever stuff. So that is the menu that we have, and obviously there is audio. They give you some music here. Not 100% sure this is actually copyright free, but you can check it out. There's some TikTok stuff. Your own brand music, brand assets that you saved. extracting audio, sound effects. Yeah, so things are there that can be quite useful. Taking photos. Should we do that one? Yep. Door knock. Yeah. Microwave. Cartoon kiss. Oh. Typing one key. What about multiple keys? Bell ring. Yeah, that's all right. Car engine.
3,
Countdown.
2, 1.
1. Yep. Oh. Lots of good sound effects there you might use. Okay, so part 2 there. We've added some stuff in. Gone through the various menus, the items that you have, and of course everything is very, very intuitive, very easy. So come back very soon for part 3 and we'll carry on from where we left off.